what I say. Every day, the sun sets just like clockwork. To put the Glock to work and put nobody to stand still, man, it kills me. Taking a life is like taking a shit. Hit or miss, niggas are playing God, trying to rob and steal. That's why you gotta guard your grill like a barbecue, cause them harming you was just like honeybees swarming you. Vocally arming you was my responsibility, it's killing me. Looking at all these niggas, see they fly.